out here because Elliott wants to ride the dirt bike. So I'm vlogging for him. I'm vlogging his dirt bike experience. So y'all about to see. My phone is somewhere. I'm vlogging this way. Oh, you finna roll up my toes. Y'all see this? Where you get them shoes from? This man then ran to the back. And found some shoes. Wait, should I come with you or no? Huh? Alright. Alright, y'all. He got me walking. Look at him. Can you even see? He's finna ride this dirt right. And I'm so weak. This is gonna be so funny. But do you know how to ride this? Huh? You said what? You said you do? Mm-hmm. You know how to stop? You know how to go? Okay. That's all you need to do then. That's all you gotta know. Ooh, jump on it like the cool boys be doing it. Yes, sir. Okay. Hold on, wait. I almost fell in the ditch messing with you. There he's off. He left me. Turn around. Y'all, this man is nuts, okay? But one thing I can say is that my best friend snapped on these lashes, though. Book with her. Pretty Girls Wink. Pretty Girls Wink. On Instagram. I'm gonna leave her Instagram below. So y'all mess with my girl. That's my bestie. That's my bestie. That's my best. All right. I can't even call him. Oh, there he go. All right, here he comes out. He is right there. Ah. Fur. Fur. Yes, sir. Y'all. It's so fun because I know how long he been wanting to do this, so I'm glad he can finally ride. But yeah, y'all, we just out here. Baby's riding his dirt bike. I leave for Colorado tomorrow. I'm gonna miss my man. I'm gonna miss the babe, but you know I'll be back. I'm leaving for something really special, so I'm gonna make sure I vlog tomorrow too. But y'all, here you go. I'm a news reporter. Okay. Hi. How does it feel to be riding this cool dirt bike here?
Yeah, it's a little awesome. Feel like we out today. We're doing our thing. You feel me?
Okay. Yes. Okay. This is cool. Okay. Let me do a 360 video ride.
Oh, we ain't rode these so long.
Yeah, it looks like an older version, but it looks really nice. The fact that it's still working, it's crazy. How you drive it? What's the gas? What's the stop? Oh, you done blew out the gas. Okay. Okay. What are you trying to take off real quick? And he's off. Yo, he is hilarious. But yeah, y'all, like I was telling y'all. Okay, let me finish talking to y'all. The sun is this way. So, like I said, I leave tomorrow. See, I can see him. I leave tomorrow, but I come back next Tuesday. Yeah. My shoe. Y'all, don't mind me. I had a little bit of wine. A little bit of wine. A little bit of wine downtown. Have you guys ever, have anybody ever rode a dirt bike before? If you have, drop a comment down below and let me know how it went for you. Because I actually have a story time about how when I rode a scooter, it was very disastrous for me. And I want to make that a story time or either a mukbang. So, babe. Yeah, so people done stalked him down the street. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Get me up, boy. Don't play with me. What y'all doing? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn that ass around. Don't go in the ditch. Elliott. Exactly. She wants to ride?